If you're looking to achieve a flawless finish on your wood projects, the right tool makes all the difference. In this guide, we'll review the best HVLP spray gun for woodworking to help you get smooth, professional quality results. Number 1. Vonforn HVLP Spray Gun. The Vonforn HVLP Spray Gun stands out as a reliable and user-friendly option for woodworking enthusiasts and DIY painters alike. This 700-watt paint sprayer is thoughtfully designed to accommodate a variety of painting projects with its 4 interchangeable nozzle sizes: 1.0mm, 1.5mm, 2.0mm, and 3.0mm. Whether you're painting furniture, fences, garden tables, or home interiors, this versatility ensures precise application for different material surfaces. One of its standout features is the 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, and circular, which enhance control and adaptability across various tasks. What truly sets the Vonforn HVLP spray gun apart is its integrated blowing and cleaning functions. Before beginning a project, users can utilize the dust blowing attachment to remove debris from the surface, improving paint adhesion and finish quality. After the job is done, the cleaning connector attaches directly to a faucet, making it convenient to flush out paint residue. The sprayer is designed for easy assembly, requiring no tools, and is especially beginner-friendly thanks to its clear instruction manual. It also includes a cleaning brush and needle to tackle paint clogs within the nozzles, prolonging the life of the unit. Adjustable flow control is another feature that adds to its appeal, allowing users to fine-tune the paint output based on their specific project needs. Number 2. Endozer HVLP Spray Gun. The Endozer HVLP Spray Gun is a practical, well-built tool that caters to both amateur DIYers and professional painters. Supplied with a 20-ounce gravity feed cup and 3 stainless steel nozzle sizes, 1.4mm, 1.7mm, and 2.0mm, this spray gun is suitable for a broad range of painting projects. Whether you're working on furniture, murals, automotive refinishing, or model making, this tool offers a flexible, reliable spraying experience. Its brass-made hood features a 15-hole design that ensures uniform atomization, providing a smooth, even finish with minimal overspray. Key features include adjustable fluid, pattern, and air control knobs that let users fine-tune the spray's output and fan pattern size according to the specific job. The air conditioning valve further enhances precision by allowing control over airflow rates, which is crucial when switching between different paint types or working on intricate details. A thoughtful addition is the included effective paint filter that reduces the risk of impurities affecting the paint finish, ensuring professional quality results. Endozer also includes several practical accessories such as an air pressure gauge and a quick adapter set, enhancing the overall usability and adaptability of the sprayer. Its design prioritizes ease of use, making it accessible even for beginners. Its durable stainless steel components are wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance across multiple projects. Overall, this HVLP spray gun offers impressive versatility and functionality, making it a solid investment for woodworking and beyond. Number 3. Hotorda HVLP Spray Gun. The Hotorda HVLP spray gun presents itself as an efficient and economical solution for various painting projects, from automotive work to furniture refinishing and craft projects. Designed with a 600cc paint cup and accompanied by 3 nozzle sizes, 1.4mm, 1.7mm, and 2.0mm, the spray gun offers versatility for applying primers, base coats, and finishes on multiple surfaces. Its HVLP technology ensures reduced paint waste and lower overspray, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Users are advised to test the spray gun with water before use and ensure that paint is appropriately thinned according to manufacturer instructions for optimal performance. The sprayer's practical build allows for consistent and even application, delivering a professional-grade finish whether you're painting walls, automotive surfaces, or DIY crafts. Durability is another strong suit of the Hotorda HVLP spray gun. Its stainless steel needle and nozzle components are built to withstand regular use and resist wear, ensuring reliability over time. The lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to hold and maneuver, reducing user fatigue during extended projects. Cleaning is simplified thanks to its polished surface and stainless steel materials. Number 4.
Airbrush HVLP Spray Gun. The Master Elite High Performance Pro 44 Series Ultimate Kit stands out as a professional-grade HVLP spray gun system designed to meet the demands of both seasoned painters and dedicated hobbyists. This comprehensive kit comes equipped with the Master Elite High Performance Pro 44 Series HVLP Spray Gun, featuring a 1.3mm fluid tip pre-installed. To enhance versatility, it includes additional complete atomizing sets in 1.4mm, 1.5mm, and 1.8mm sizes, each with its matching needle, fluid nozzle, and air cap. This makes it incredibly convenient to switch between coating materials of different viscosities, from lightweight base coats and clear coats to heavy-bodied primers and surfacers. The spray gun itself is paired with a sturdy 1-liter aluminum cup, ensuring you have ample paint capacity for larger projects without frequent refills. Also included is a high-flow air pressure regulator with an easy-to-read gauge offering precise control over spray pressure for consistent, flawless results. A highlight of this kit is its superior atomization technology, designed to fully atomize paint coatings and deliver an optimal fan pattern. This ensures a smooth and even application with reduced risk of blotches, runs, or uneven coverage. Whether working on automotive paint jobs, woodworking finishes, or industrial coatings, the PRO44 maintains impressive consistency. It's also engineered with precision stainless steel components, making it fully compatible with modern waterborne automotive paint systems. Durability and easy maintenance are guaranteed thanks to its high-grade materials and meticulous construction. Number 5. No Lonely HVLP Spray Gun. But No Lonely HVLP Spray Gun presents an excellent option for painters seeking a combination in precision, ease in use, and reliable performance across a wide range of projects. Designed with advanced HVLP technology, this spray gun produces a consistently soft and even spray pattern, minimizing overspray and ensuring a clean, professional-looking finish every time. Whether you're tackling automotive refinishing, furniture restoration, or household painting jobs like doors and walls, the No Lonely HVLP Spray Gun is up to the task. Built with high-quality materials, the spray gun is equipped with a stainless steel nozzle and needle, offering excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The copper air cap, featuring a quick change thread, adds to its convenience and ensures precise and long-lasting performance. Its craftsmanship meets stringent German standards, which reflects on the gun's steady, reliable operation even with prolonged use. One of the standout features is the spray gun's efficiency, providing excellent paint atomization that reduces the amount of paint wasted and cuts down on tedious cleanup tasks. Adjustable control knobs for spray pattern and fluid flow rate allowed users to fine-tune the gun for different materials and surface sizes, from light misting to more concentrated coats. This flexibility makes it a great choice for both delicate projects like art canvases and larger surfaces such as home interiors. Ergonomics also play a key role in its appeal. Lightweight, well-balanced, and fitted with a comfortable grip, this spray gun minimizes hand fatigue and makes it easy to maintain consistent control over extended sessions.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.